Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this very basic mainstays office desk chair. As you can see, I have already assembled one, but I want to show you how I assembled it. It was the easiest office chair I've ever assembled, so this will be a quick tutorial. So as you can see, this is the final look. It's just a basic kids chair, pretty much not for an adult, but if you use it for kids, it's perfect. There is a guest lever over here, and it swivels. And I think it's the cheapest you can find online. I've tried checking Amazon, Walmart, and Walmart has it for 29 bucks, and it's a really good deal for a test chair. So let's go ahead and open this box. So here it is. So out of the box, you're gonna get this part. This is the rest, the back rest of the seat. And then check the manual. It's got a manual. These are the parts. So I just got the back cover. Let's see if I can show you the parts in English. Okay. Alright. So I got the telescoping cover, the back cushion, seat cover, plastic seat cushion, gas lifts, star base, casters, and there's two screws. That's all it needs. This is the cushion. This is the seat, and there's the manual. The star base. So as you can see, this is flat. Most of the office chair had like a little bit elevated, but this one is flat. It has 5 wheels, and this is the cover for the guest lift. And we have another item here, and this is the guest lift. I'm going to keep this in assembly really quick. So let's start with the base. This base has 5 holes in the bottom. Just push this wheels quick. Push it on the bottom. Make sure it snaps. So that is the base. So the next instruction is to attach the guest lift. So it's this one, and you need the cover, which is this one. This is the guest lift cover. It should come like this, and you're supposed to insert it like this. You can see. Oops. And secure it at the bottom of the base. So let's see here, like so. And then the next step is to get your base and the seat base. Alright, so this is the base, the seat base. So in the instruction, it shows you to do this. Use this box and put your base like that, and you'll understand, because we will screw this piece. So this is the backrest. So it's kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can zoom it out. There you go. So as you can see, there's a hole in here, 2 holes. And there is also holes in here. You can just align them like so, and get your 2 pieces of screws and push them in. It's very easy. closer video of that so you can see what I'm doing. And it comes with a wrench. Let's tighten the wrench like so. Oops. So you need to push the thing tighter so it will lock in place, and so I'm tightening that one side. And you can feel the thing tightening. Just keep it tight, but not too tight. And it says in the manual that you need to check this periodically just to tighten the bolts, because it would loosen through time, but just tighten it as much as you can. And so the next part is the actual assembly. You would just have to align the hole here. Oops. Just align it here. And make sure you push it down. So just secure it down and tightly. And then we are on the final step. And that is to put this cushion seat cover. And it says that locate the line in the back. Where's the line? So this piece, the line stitching should be in the back piece. So that's what I'm doing right now. And that's pretty much it. I've got two chairs. As you can see, they were very easy to assemble. And they're perfect for a homeschool room. As you can see, it has basic functions. If you sit on this, as you can see, I'll try to sit on one right now. You push it down. Let me see here. See, as you can see, it went up. You pull the lever and it will go down. So just basic functions, but it's perfect for a little kid. You can see it secures perfectly in the bottom of their table. So that is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.